Hello and welcome to the walkthrough for the Daily Telegraph prize crossword on Saturday the 14th of October, number 30,431. Six across. Following dance with girl, Don suffers unexpected come down. So F for following, and then dance with girl and Don. So all those words, suffering means an anagram of the rest of that. And unexpected come down, if you're in a plane, would be a forced landing. So that's to start us off. Bit of a tricky one. 8 across, snap this monster, a bloomer. So the monster in this case is going to be a dragon because a snapdragon is a flower or a bloomer. 9 across, after project, chap is mournful. So a project is a plan, chap is a gent, and if you plangent tones, you're sounding mournful. 10 across, foot caught in trap awkwardly. It's in the words, it's caught in those words, it's paw for a foot. And 11 across, writer crosses street, so ST for street. A writer in this case, I think, is going to be a biro. Crossing ST gives us bistro for a bar. And 12 across, where to find a waiter. So we've had a bar and a bistro, but it's not actually a restaurant, this one. I think it's just a general, somebody who's waiting might wait in an ante-room before a meeting. 14 across, in pieces and sure, so to be upset. So it's going to be an anagram of unsure to meaning in pieces, and that is going to be asunder. 16 across, a step. A step can be a stride, and a stride means you have your feet apart, so a stride. 16 across. 20 across, worrying job for a carpenter. So if you worry, you might fret. A job is work, and fret work is something that a carpenter might do with a fret saw. 23 across, last goal about to bury United. So this is going to mean last. The goal is an end. About can be re, and then bury United. So you for United, just being buried in that word gives us endure for last. 24 across, cool decision in part reversed. So this is going to mean cool. It's decision in part, so it's part of the word decision reversed. It's going to be ice. And 25 across, unbalanced. Individual regularly swindles daughter. So it's going to mean unbalanced. Individual is 1. Regular letters of swindles is SIDE. And then D for daughter gives us one-sided. 26 across, small depression you might have to face. Or it's really sort of on your face rather than to face. It would be a small depression, could be a dimple when you smile especially. And 27 across, something that's currently attractive. So magnets are attractive, aren't they? And currently means if you pass an electric current, it's an electromagnet. Okay, that's the across. Let's do the down. 1 down, alarm, conservative. If you're on the right, if you're conservative, so right, going in. A slough it's not the town, a slough can generally mean a fen or a swamp. So that's going to be right in fen gives us frightened for alarm. 2 down, thin person that's used to train runners. Runner beans, in this case, beanpole. Same for a thin person. Edge in rock, so an edge can be a lip. Rock as in rocker by a baby, so it's sway. With lip going in gives us slipway, which boat might be launched from. 4 down, princess could be an infanta, but you get rid of the A. Doesn't have the A, so it gives us infant for a young child. 5 down, employee of mine, down under. Australian term is a digger, isn't it? And a digger could be somebody who's working in a mine. 6 down, financier sure, about. So anagram financier sure, those letters about. Protection from getting burned is fire insurance. 7 down, 5th attempt to blow up Parliament. Remember, 5th of November, that's the gunpowder plot. And 13 down, dine with tenants every now and then. So the regular letters of tenants gives us eat for dine. 15 down, moisture that's expected by the sound of it. So homophone, it's dew, D-E-W, moisture. 17 down, wade around in Scottish river. So anagram wade, the river's going to be the Spey. With wade around inside, it gives us speedway for a racetrack. 18 down, first principle, that is the smallest one in a letter is the runt. A dime is a small 10 cents, whatever. Stick dime in runt and you get a rudiment for first principle. 19 down, slip over line in deprived parts of America is going to be skid row. Slip is a skid and a line is a row. 21 down, hanger on. Volunteers is normally the Territorial Army, TA, though I don't think it's called that anymore, is it? Fewer could be less, turning up, so going the other way gives us a tassel for something that might hang on something. And 22 down, last one, peculiar thing. Revolutionary parties, so parties that do, going the other way is OD. Heartless song is ditty without the middle T, gives us oddity for a peculiar thing. A few tough ones there. Took a little bit of time, that one, but we got there in the end. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep on crossing. See you again soon.